Hello everyone, so let me show you briefly how to upgrade on Delux, very briefly. So let's get right into it. Now this is very technical and it's a little bit compulsory, not really compulsory, but they made it in such a way that if you don't upgrade you're gonna lose. I will explain. So when you come here, you click, you will see the option upgrade plan. You just click on it and you see it's already telling me I'm in standard current plan. You can see standard. Then if you scroll down, you will see alpha. All you have to do is paste the job permit. That's why both upgrade and new registration is 12,000 rand, because you have to get a job permit either ways, and it's the same price they are selling the job permit. It's 12,000 naira for both new members or already existing members. As you can see, I'm already existing members, but I'm also using a coupon to register and it's still 12,000. So just click on upgrade. It's this simple. Let me show you why you need to upgrade. Now, before I upgraded, look at my history. Look at my history. You see that normally, if you remember here, it says that I'm coming. Let me explain something for you quickly. So here, indirect commission, you can see 500 showing, while second indirect is 200. Meanwhile, come to my history now. I just want you to see something. That's why I went there. If you come to my history now, you can see 250, 250, 250. There is no 500 there. Do you know why it is? Why I say if you don't upgrade, you will lose. Now, this is my dummy account. Now, you already know I am Simply Queen, so this is my main account. Now, I've been registering people, and as you can see, instead of me getting 500, I'm getting to 250. Who is losing? And funny enough, I had explained this thing in my video, but my head still forgot about it, and I went ahead registering people without first of all upgrading. I didn't upgrade first, so don't make the same mistake I make. You see, all of us make mistakes in this thing. I did not remember to come and upgrade first. I went ahead registering people, and look at, I've lost. Just check, and I've done at least how many registration, both registrations and upgrade. I've done at least 6 or 7. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 is showing here. No, 3 is even showing here. 3 is showing here. I don't know, maybe it has not refreshed. Now, if I had only come here to upgrade first, instead of 250 that is showing here, I would have been getting 500. Now, now these 3 would have given me 1,500. Meanwhile, all I have here is 750. Do you get? So at the end of the day, if you don't upgrade, people under you, when they are doing something, remember it is under me. People under you, as they are registering or they are upgrading, you will not be getting the payment you're supposed to be getting. If only you upgraded, you will be getting your full money. Do you understand? That is why it's like a must that as long as you are doing Delux, you better go and upgrade, because it will be your loss. It just came to my head now. Wait, let me check my account. And now checked, and I was right. I forgot to come and upgrade first, and see me, I've lost a lot of money. Likewise, you too, if you are thinking upgrade is not for you, which you can choose to do, you will still lose, because as long as it's still showing standard plan, you will lose. You will not get your full bonus. See, it has changed. I've refreshed now. It has changed to alpha plan. Before it was showing standard. I just refreshed. It's now showing alpha plan. So basically, this is how to upgrade. Whether you're upgrading or not, the price is still 12,500. As you can see, I just did the same thing. So you too do the same thing. But then again, if you are not doing training commission, then you can actually not upgrade if you choose not to. But if you have people under you, or you are registering people under you, then I would advise you personally to upgrade. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.